this entire boat. You got to do it. Then we have a little party time. You nail it, we rock out for Casey. All right? Take your time. Texas Yeehaw. Come on. I'm fussy. I'm fussy.
That sounded like a New York City transit bus screeching to a halt. Sorry.
Listen, Joe's a perfectionist.
I'm nervous.
Sometimes.
Get rid of the nervous. Think of how nervous you're going to be if you're going to drive home with him back to Texas with no tickets to Las Vegas. That's nervous. Wow. Come on.
I'm getting excited about this
maybe
Vegas show.
Happy, but he might get a night with John if he gets to Vegas.